Yep, there we go. Well, that should be a good one, folks. Yeah, watching them come after this morning's been kind of a blessing, because they're right up by the top trying to dart after it. I think that's another pretty good size one there. Yes, sir. Ooh, that's a, yeah, there we are. Okay, this one's up by his eyes, so we're going to be real careful with this one. And he is a good fish. Let's see if I can hold him down here, because he's going to get pissed. And again, rightfully so. Not your eyeball, mister. Oh, almost close. I'm glad I didn't get you second time.